Hi guys, welcome back to High Yield Intraday Trading. So time for me to share another live trade of mine. Firstly, apologies again because I was not able to record the video, but since it has been more than a week that I have shared any of my trades, I thought of going ahead and sharing what I did in today's session with you people. Okay, so please do understand that I'm a working guy, so most of the time it is not feasible for me to go ahead and record the videos. Okay, but what I understand, or what my thought process is, it is more important for me to tell you guys how do I trade. Okay, that is something which is more important than seeing my recorded videos. Okay, but whenever I get a time, I will make sure that I record the live videos. Okay, so coming on to today's session, in fact yesterday's session, the date would be 23rd of October, that is Monday 2017. Okay, and there was only one trade that was taken by me, that is in idea, and the summary of the trade was the capital used was 26,000 rupees with a leverage of 40x, and the profit earned was 29,400 rupees, and the profit percentage was 113.07%. Okay, now let me quickly go ahead and explain you what I did here. So idea actually started with a gap up. Alright, it started with a gap up, and you see the first green candle here, a solid green candle, right? So seeing the volume and the momentum of this particular guy, I was very sure that it will cross R3, which it did. Okay, now my entry point was somewhere here, just above R2, in the first 5 minutes of the trading session as well. In the first 5 minutes of the trading session. Okay, but by the time I logged in and I selected the stock, it had already crossed R3. Okay, so I chose to stay back, not to have an entry at that point. Okay, and it was 9:30 at this green candle when I gave the guys to go long in idea. Okay, in my Discord channel I gave out the call that you guys can go long in idea. Now the reason was by checking my technicals. Okay, now let's forget about the technicals which I follow. Okay, even if you follow just my pivot trading video, okay, even if you don't take the trade here, you can trade the trade at this candle, at this green candle. Okay, so let's say you make an entry at maybe 96. Okay, a little above half of the body of this candle. Even if you make an entry at 96, it will take you to 98.90, guys. A good 2 rupees 90 paisa move for a 98 rupees stock. It is a big deal for intraday traders. Okay, so seeing this green candle, obviously most of the guys, I'm sure they will be afraid to get into the trade. Okay, but time and again I have mentioned the same thing, guys, that no matter how high or how low a stock goes, if the technicals are perfect, you will make the right entry and you will be able to make money out of there. Okay, so this was the only trade that was taken actually, and I entered at 95.04, and it was a market price. Okay, and I exited at 97.95. Okay, so the profit was around 2 rupees 90 or 95 paise, and the amount of shares that I had taken were 10,000. Okay, so in total it was 29,400 rupees. Okay, my target according to my technicals was 99.20, and it made a high of 99.25. Okay, so very close to what I had estimated. Okay, so yeah, that's it for now, guys. This was the only trade that I have made, and yeah, since I am on the video right now, so let me just quickly go ahead and share the trades for 16th, 17th and 18th. Okay, 19th was Diwali, wherein we had the Muhurat trading, which I did not take up because you know, within 1 hour, if your trade goes in the opposite direction, you will not have any chances to you know, manage or come into the profits. Okay, so I did not take up any trading for that 1 hour in the Muhurat trading session. Okay, but 16th, 17th, 18th I did trade, and again I was not able to make any videos out there, but I do have the screenshots. So let me just go ahead and bring in the Discord channel here. Okay, so this is my Discord channel, guys, the public Discord channel. If you want, you can join in the channel. All right, and you will get a lot of calls, a lot of intelligent people out here who share their ideas, who share their calls. Many things goes on over here. Okay, so if you're interested, please join in. Send me out your Discord IDs and I will let you in. Okay, so getting on to yeah, this is the trading screenshot channel, guys, where I put in all my screenshots, okay, of every day when I trade. Okay, so let me take you to the 16th, right? Yeah, 16th, yeah, 16th, 17th and 18th, right? So 16th October 2017, the capital used was 75,000. Profit earned was 76,491.70 rupees. So in terms of percentage, it was 101.98%. Okay, so if I maximize this, multiple number of trades were taken. Okay, the maximum I earned was in Federal Bank, which was 65,905 rupees. Okay, so if I make it bigger, it will be clearer for you people, right? Okay, yeah. So Bharat Fin, Granules, Infratel and Jindal Steel and Vedanta were the one in which I lost some money. Okay, but I always make sure that the money that I lose is much more lesser than the money that I gain in my profits. Okay, so this was the trade for 16th of October. And where did my Discord go? Okay, and for 17th, the capital used was 1 lakh rupees. Profit earned was 82,202 rupees. And the profit percentage was 82.20%. Okay, so again, if I maximize this, let me make it bigger. Okay, so these were the trades taken, guys. Okay, idea was a hit that day. Just in idea, I was able to make a profit of 1,06,650 rupees. Okay, don't go with the colors, guys, because I use Asta. Asta is the name of the brokerage house that I use. Okay, so I'm not sure why either everything comes in red or either everything comes in green. Okay, but the thing which you need to concentrate on is the minus sign and the numbers which are without minus sign. So the numbers with the minus sign are losses and the number without any signs are the profits. Okay, so again, Bharti Airtel was a loss, Federal Bank was a loss, India Bull Housing Finance and ICIL were losses. Okay, but again, as I say, my losses are much more lesser than my profits. Okay, so that is what matters at the end of the day, right? Right, so the next one was Wednesday, that is 18th of October. Again, the capital used was 1 lakh rupees. The profit earned was 55,336 rupees and the profit percentage was 55.33%. Okay, the trades taken were, let me maximize it. Yeah, so these were the trades taken. Okay, so again, some losses here, but the profits do exceed the losses. Okay, so if you are trading with 1 lakh rupees, I mean, if you face a loss of 10,000 rupees or maybe 5,000 rupees, 10,000, 12,000 is a big deal for sure. Okay, but you don't have to lose the concentration. If you are sure about the technicals, you can very well recover it. You have a lot of time to recover it. Okay, so NCC was the highest in which I earned on last Wednesday, 78,780 rupees, and overall everything got managed. Okay, so these were the trades for 16th, 17th and 18th, guys, and for today this was the trade that was made. Okay, just idea, and it was 29,400 rupees, right? So let me just take off Discord from here. Okay, Right, so this is what I have guys for today. If I trade tomorrow, I mean today, I mean it is Tuesday 24th of October today is. So if I trade for today, and if I record the video, I will make sure to go ahead and share it with you all. Okay, so learn the technicals, guys. Be confident in all your trades. Be very optimistic in all your trades. Okay, you can be optimistic only if you have the right idea about the technicals. Okay, so keep learning, guys, and be in greens no matter what. By the end of the day, after the brokerage charges are deducted, you should make sure that you are in green. Okay, that is what matters. Alright then, so thank you so much for all your time, guys. You all have a good night, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye bye.